Small Cap Epicenter on AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Tuesday, November the 8th, I've got 5 press releases for you. Canada, U.S., resources, pharmaceuticals, some great news. Let's start you off first with McLaren Resources, trades on the Canadian National Stock Exchange under the stock symbol MCL, for our friends in Germany on the Frankfurt Exchange on the stock symbol 3ML. This press release actually came out yesterday after the market opened around noon. That's why we didn't report on it yesterday. This is an AGORACOM client. Have to disclose that, but as always, we don't talk about AGORACOM client news unless it stands on its own 2 feet. This one's a good one. McLaren's announced that they've optioned an exploration property adjacent to the Hollinger and McIntyre mines in Timmins, Ontario. There's more to this. They've signed a letter of intent with Tim Ginn Exploration to earn a 60% interest. This is a past-producing gold property. It's located in the heart of the Timmins gold camp, and as I said, it's adjacent to Hollinger and the McIntyre mines that combined produced over 30 million ounces of gold to date. Now, more than just an area player trying to capitalize on that, the property contains the favorable gold mineralized horizon, which was a source of production of both the Hollinger and McIntyre mines. Drilling will initially focus on targets between surface and 300 meters deep. In addition, in terms of the project here, they can earn a 50% interest of the property by incurring $2 million of exploration expenditure by April 30, 2015. So it's not cheap. It's a meaningful property. They're concentrated in the heart of the Timmins gold camp, where they also own and operate a 50% interest in the former gold-producing Blue Quartz mine property. So they got 2 former gold producers sitting right in the Timmins gold camp. That's a great place to be. Those are a great projects to have. Very proud of McLaren Resources. Now, they've got to get the drills working, but these are the kind of prospects that I like to take a look at. Hopefully, you'll do your due diligence. Don't take my word for it. Assume I'm always horribly conflicted by the fact that this is a client, and do your own due diligence. The company closed yesterday at 15 cents. Next up, staying in the energy space, Voyager Oil and Gas, VOG in the U.S., announced record oil and gas production, revenue, and adjusted EBITDA. This for the third quarter into September 30th. Revenues came in at $2.87 million. That's up 72% sequentially. Sequentially, it means over the last quarter, 983% year over year. That's massive. Net income came in a little light, surprisingly for that number, $55,874. That record quarterly oil production, 33,300 barrels and change. That's up 86% sequentially again, and 898% year over year. So the company seems like it's really hit its stride right now. Adjusted EBITDA, $2.03 million, up 166%. And they've got over $22 million in cash in the bank. Closed yesterday $279, 52-week range, $1.57 on the low, $7.54 on the high. I really like that news. Staying with the resources space, Logan Resources, TSX Venture, LGR, announced that they intercepted 43% iron over 49 meters. This is on their Redford iron ore property on Vancouver Island. Now, Ridgemont Iron Ore, which trades on the venture under RDG, is the operator of the project. They have an option to acquire up to 75% interest in the project, so you may actually want to take a close look at RDG, given these kind of results. Logan closed yesterday 13 cents, 12 cents on the 52-week low, so it's pretty much right there. Might be an opportunity, but you have to take a closer look. 54 cents on the high. I'll say it again, there are going to be a lot of tax loss selling opportunities to capitalize on, so you should start looking from now. Yorbeau Resources trades on the big board TSX under YRB.A, announced that they intersected 7.02 grams ton of gold over 8 meters. This is at the Royan property in northern Quebec. In that hole, included in that hole, is 1 meter of 54.6 grams ton of gold. Both had visible traces of gold within them. Closed yesterday 19 cents, 39 on the high, 14 cents on the low. And finally, Beacon Enterprise, getting away from the resources. I really like this news. Trades on the OTC on the stock symbol BEAC. They announced an additional $730,000 contract with a Fortune 50 client. Now listen to this, what's going on with this company. This existing Fortune 50 pharmaceutical client, they're going to implement a previously awarded project in which Beacon performs, in which they design, assess, and engineer work at the client's facilities throughout the world. Since June of 2011, Beacon has announced 3 different contracts with this Fortune 50 company totaling 2.7 mil. That brings the total contract amount to about $3.5 million in the past 5 months from the same client. So that's great. And in total, they've been awarded over $10 million in new contracts since June 2011. That's pretty significant. I really like these numbers. Whenever you see repeat revenues coming out of a Fortune 50 company, you've got to know this company is doing great things and definitely warrants taking a closer look. They closed yesterday 28 cents. 52-week range is 14 cents on the low, 70 cents on the high. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you're looking for more great resource companies and you're watching this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're watching this on. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.